I'm going to show you a tool that lets you lay out furniture on floor maps quickly and for free. Let's start. Crop your floor plan. Save it. Load it into the FurniMapper. Find a reference room size. Draw a line across that same room and write down the real size of that room in feet. Copy the furniture items list with the headers item width and length. Convert them into feet using any tool and paste them in. Now you can select and move around the furniture and start rotating them into the positions you like, either using the buttons or by pressing E and R. Once you're happy with the layout, click on Export Floor Grid to save. And then, if you reload the page, you can load the same floor plan and the saved layout and make more variations if you want.